Hello everybody, it's Christy again. Welcome back to the channel. Exciting things have happened this week. Yes, the roof is all on. It has been trimmed. It has been liquid flashed and we're ready for the rain now. He also got all of the decking down, so the flooring is going to go in. You can see where the bed is going to be underneath there. We also were excited to get our windows this week. Yes, windows came in and he got all of the windows installed in about 2 hours. We are really happy with these windows. They fit perfectly. Everything was exactly how we ordered them. And they are black on black. That's a shot from the front of the tiny house. You can see them up there on the left side. You can also see some of the liquid flashing as well as the zips panels. This is just a really good shot of the outside. You can see all of those windows that are installed and some of the windows on the front too. And as you can see, he got the decking all down on the back half of the trailer. And so he is ready for walls to begin. This is a good shot back in the bathroom. The last two windows went in. Those are completely liquid flashed in, since they will actually be in the shower and the tub area. Here you have the very first wall being put up inside the tiny house. Pretty exciting. You can also see the pocket door that's laying on the floor right there that will be put into this wall after he gets it all set. That is the wall between the bathroom and the closet, and it will have a doorway that goes into the bathroom, and that was the pocket door that I was just speaking of. It's exciting to watch the first wall go up. Definition into our small space is happening very quickly now. There he's trying to get it into place, trying to get all of the water lines in the bottom of the wall. Thankful for Matt today for his help on this project. So we basically just drilled a couple holes in the bottom of that wall, and now he's pulling the plumbing up through the bottom of the wall. That wall will actually house the hot water heater, and it also has the washer and dryer on the left side of it. And he broke off the whole corner of it, so he had to fix that as well. But he did, of course. And we now have the very first wall in the tiny house. The next thing they will do here is they will make sure that the wall is plumb. As you guys know, if you've been following our videos, he is very anal about making sure everything is square and making sure that things are very level. So when he goes to do his finish work, he has nice square surfaces, walls are plumb, and he doesn't have to worry about weird angles for sheetrock or for any of his large porcelain tiles that he will be installing as well. You can see how he is actually making sure everything's level, and then Matt's going to put a quick screw in, and that will be that for that wall. It's really handy to have two people at this point in time making sure all of that gets done like it is supposed to. That wall he had also insulated prior to putting that wall in place behind that wall, because it's hard to get to after the fact. Now we're back to the time-lapse video where he's finishing the closet walls here. He's also making sure that the dimensions for the doorway into the closet are so that we can get the washer and dryer in there, and making sure that the walls are the right size so that we can still get into the openings that we made in the floor for the shoes and for the other opening. Then he moved on to this interior wall as well. And here is the finished product in the bathroom. You can see where he got the water up, and the pocket door has been installed in that wall. Here's your closet. You can see in the floor the trap doors are where they need to be, and the closet will be in the corner there. This is a view of the hallway from the bathroom. And here you have a view from inside the closet looking out. Above that closet will have a ceiling on it, and that is where extra storage will go. Hello everybody, it's Christy. So we are headed to a graduation this weekend, so we're having a short work week. But I wanted to give you a quick update of everything that kind of happened this week, which was really fast. But it feels like house. It's very cool. All of the windows, we went and picked them up on Wednesday, and it didn't take but a couple hours to get them all in. We had to wait and get some more liquid flashing to be able to finish these two windows back here. These two windows are actually going to be in the shower, so we wanted to make sure that they were flashed in really, really good. And all of anything water permeable, you gotta be really super careful with that kind of stuff. So these walls, or those windows, are flashed in, and it feels wonderful. So all the windows came from Milgard, and we did get the low E on them. As you can see, they all have the top ones are all fixed windows. Maybe I should explain that. The top area all the way around the tiny house has fixed windows, and they're all 2x4 windows. This window back here is fixed on the top, but this one actually is an awning window. We also were supposed to get our bathtub this week so we could figure out exactly where the plumbing needed to be. However, when Amazon delivered it, it was actually the wrong bathtub. So we had to have them send us another one. So we are going to supposedly get that on Monday afternoon and make sure that everything fits in here like we think it's going to fit. But the bathtub, according to plans, will fit kind of in this area right here, kind of at a little bit of an angle. You can kind of see on the floor we got some X's. That's where the toilet's gonna go. You can kind of see the lines there. The vanity will go right there. This crazy looking thing here, this will have a pocket door in it. And you can see the plumbing lines that are coming up. There will be a tankless hot water heater that goes right here above the toilet. And then on the opposite side, so that's it for the bathroom, which I think turns out pretty cool. This is the little closet that we've been talking about, which has been really hard to explain. But you can see he has his trap door for his side of the stuff, and you can see along this side here how that one goes all the way along. That's for the shoes, can't forget that. And back in this corner where you see the plumbing coming up, this side of it will actually be the washer and dryer. Yay. The window worked perfect, half in the closet, half out. That'll be great. And we left enough room on top of this closet. I think you can see it kind of from here. That fits exactly 6 totes up there. So we will be able to put 6 totes up there and have lots of nice storage up there. And the pocket door, of course, going into the bathroom. So if I flip around, the tub, that was the wrong one. It was a nice tub though. This ends up being the bedroom. We started on this middle wall, but we ran out of time. We are headed to a birthday party tonight. We also got this wall flashed, or I guess this opening. We got it liquid flashed as well. And it is ready for the French doors before we ran out of flashing again. And then you can see we started on this interior wall. This wall will also be for shear strength as well. And so he is planning it accordingly. And it's got a lot of stuff in it. This wall has a fireplace in it. It has a spot for the TV in it. It has the electrical panel will be on the opposite side. It also has a mini split that will be above in the bedroom on that side of it. So this wall gets so much stuff in it. And getting it all planned, figuring out the pitch of the roof, making sure that the fireplace is actually going to be in the middle of the crossfill piece. So I've talked about the crossfill piece a couple of times. I'm actually going to leave a link in the description today that will allow you guys to go and take a look at that. The color that we have ordered, it's called Nero, I think it was Nero Absolute. And it is a 5.5 foot piece of porcelain tile. And it is it 118 inches high, honey?
118 inches tall.
Okay.
Almost 10 feet.
Almost 10 feet. So it's going to be it will go all the way to the ceiling here on that piece. So we were trying to figure out where's the center, how can we put this in here? Because both sides of this wall, where the fender well is, get like a little platform built. This side will have Engine Joe, and of course this side is steps to go back and to go down the hallway to the bathroom closet into the bedroom. So all in all, it's a fantastic week. Getting the windows in has made a huge difference in here. Just amazing how that little thing changed the feel and the temperature. Those windows do have some glazing on them, and the gentleman at Milgard, he was really helpful in helping us make sure that we got the right windows for our project. So we want to thank those guys down there. Michael, Blade. So that brings us to the end of our week. I hope you guys have enjoyed following. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Otherwise, give us a thumbs up, hit that little bell thingy, and subscribe so you guys will know exactly when we get a new video out. And it's starting to take shape. Thanks for joining us. See you guys next week.